If you weren't aware, CodeSignal have changed the way they present their website. Hey, my name is Amir, and I'm going to help you with pretty much everything around CodeSignal, HackerRank, LeetCode, and potentially your AI journey. I used to have this video about how CodeSignal works and how to sign up. CodeSignal has changed their website and the way they present these lessons and problems, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for them. I'm just going to head down to an incognito window so that I will just have a very fresh sign up. And let me show that to you. Okay, I've got an incognito page and I'm just going to go CodeSignal. This is what I really encourage you to do as well. Go to codesignal.com. Just be careful about some scam websites. Now, I reject all cookies. And you've got your platform solutions, resources, company pricing, and for learners. So let's see what the learners can actually do here. It used to look different. You can either sign up or you can start for free. So I'm just going to click on start for free. I'm going to put in my details. It's asking for your name, last name, email, and password. Okay, once I have done that, I can wait for this. I don't know if it's going to send me a confirmation email. And maybe it will, or maybe it won't. I get an email that I have to verify, and I'll go ahead and do it right now in my other screen. Press verify, and it says successfully verified. This is what I have done, and this is what you will be getting as well. Now, let me do a refresh of this page because it will understand that I have verified. They have this new character called Cosmo, which is apparently their generative AI chatbot help or whatever. And what I will do, I'll move my face to the other side and press continue. Before we take off, I can answer some questions. Probably I shouldn't have pressed that, but let me see. Yeah, I'm just gonna start a new career. What is skills? Well, maybe more like software engineering or Python. In general, I don't think it really matters, but preferred programming language, Python, of course, no questions about that. Beginner, let's say I am starting my Python journey. And yeah, I'll download it later. Oh, I said done. I lied. I'll download it later. It says, I recommend to go through the introduction to programming with Python. Yep, I could do that, but I want to learn more. I want to show you the whole website, then I'll show you which one I'm going to be teaching you. Move my face down here. So where we are, you have multiple paths. So if you click on the path, it will show you that you can pursue a generative AI, business leadership, interview prep, AI and machine learning, learn to code, and data science and engineering path. These are all separate paths that you can take on. Also, some of those paths that are trending based on CodeSignal, you can see here, the ones that are recently added. But if you are wondering whether you should pay for this, I would say you don't really have to, because all you get from this upgrade, you will have access to this Cosmo thing. And they are 8 times more likely to reach their learning goals. I don't really know what they do. I'll subscribe and I'll let you know, but I don't think you will really have to do that because it's another subscription of $25 per month, but you will be billed annually. So you'll have to pay more like $300 USD in one go. But you will have unlimited energy, full access on web and mobile app, master skills fastest with your AI tutor. You will have an AI tutor. I'm not going to upgrade now, but what I was going to show you, if you are planning to learn Python, for example, if you're planning to learn to code, you will have to come down here. These might have changed based on what I was teaching in my codings, but well, they're somewhere in here. But if you want to go to Introduction to Programming with Python, you click on that. There's a bit of a bit more words, I would say. I don't think this is going to really make us a better learners, but oh well, CodeSignal has decided to do that. If you want to start the path, you can do that, or if you want to see courses, you come back here. So let's see, if I've got 5 lessons, 25 practices, and it will take only 2 hours. It's all about general programming and algorithms. You will write hello world, your first Python program, changing your first print statement, fix the print statement. They should be pretty easy. If I go back to the path, yeah, there are multiple other paths, but I would like to hear from you. Which of these paths do you really want me to teach you? I can start on any of them, but I would think data science and engineering should be interesting, AI and machine learning should be interesting, generative AI should be interesting. But if you go to interview prep, you will have a bit more broader lessons. So you've got fundamental coding interview prep with Python. It's at intermediate level. Mastering algorithms and data structures, I think would be really interesting, intermediate level, and so many other ones. Yeah, so this is how it has changed. Let me know which one of these paths actually interests you, and I will start creating videos for them. Let me know which one you want to learn, and I want to be able to create videos that suit your needs. Let me know in the comments, and I'll put it in my plans. Thank you.